Ever needed to make a change to a Docusign document after it's already been sent, and wish you could just strike something out? Well, let's learn how to do just that. First, log into your Docusign account and navigate to the Manage tab here. You'll see a list of your documents. Locate the document you need to edit. Now, open the document instead of making direct edits, which can be tricky. We'll use the correct feature. Click on Correct at the top of the document. This will allow you to modify the document before it is finalized. On the left-hand side, you will see the toolbar and find the markup tools. Select the Strikethrough icon. The icon usually looks like a letter, all with a line crossing through it. Click and drag the Strikethrough tool to cover the text you want to redact. Adjust the size and position to fully cover the text you want to remove. In the Properties panel, change the color of the Strikethrough to red. This makes it more obvious that this text has been removed. Once you're satisfied with the redaction, click the Send button. This will update the document and send it to the recipients. With the changes you've made, they'll clearly see the Strikethrough indicating the invalidated text, and that's it.